Estimating calculations. Pause the video and write down how you estimate calculations. So for example, if I asked you to multiply 242 by 89, what would your method be? So to estimate calculations, what we first have to do is look at each number in the calculation and round each number to one significant figure. Just a fancy way of saying round to wherever the first digit is in the number. Once you've done the rounding, you then calculate. Pause the video and have a go at example 7 and 8. Example 7. 72, the first digit is 7, so we just round to where it's at, which is in the tens column. So we round to the nearest 10. 72 is roughly 70. 39, the first digit is in the tens column, so we round to the nearest 10. 39 is roughly 40. This gives us just one digit in each number that isn't 0, so it should end up being a times table multiplication. 7 times 4 is 28, and then we've got the 2 zeros afterwards. In example 8, we've got 545 times 27. 545, you can see the first digit is in the hundreds column, so we round that number to the nearest 100, which should be 500. 27, the first digit is in the tens column, so we round that number to the nearest 10. Again, hopefully you should see it's a simple calculation because we've only got one digit that's not 0 in each number, so we can multiply them. 5 times 3 is 15, and then we've got 3 zeros afterwards, so the answer is 15,000.